I have lost my father due to poor health care. I have lost my sister just after giving birth because of poor health care. And then you wake up one morning and you see someone bamwadde million bitano. Ngolaba omuyimbi bamwadde billion 5 eza Uganda azikozesa eki. And this is really sad because these are artists that have been here for some time. They have established themselves. They are doing okay. But then someone in our government wakes up one morning nagamba but abayimbi katubaweeyo billion 5 beyagale azikozesa eki. Bafani tebamuwagira. I'm angry to the point that I can even punch a wall.
Please don't, please.
And this, yes, and this anger has been accumulating for the last, I don't know how many years. If it was not for this talent, that is why I'm like, for the fact that Ugandans have supported me ever since my career started, this is where the point I come through for them. Abana-Uganda bawagidde abayimbi abanene abato naye abayimbi basirise balya sente z'abasajja. Now they cannot say anything. They are compromised. Now when the time comes for them to hold their concert, they want people to turn up for them. Baagala bajje mutuwagire ne beewuuba ne bagenda simanye eyo mu downtown lino omulaba ngaali eyo mu katale simanye nakasero simanya owino asaba buki bantu bajje bagule tickets ze bamulabe n'essaawa zino eno omuyimbi asirise abanene kati yatenze bensingano tewali yadde n'omuyimbi n'omu omunene ali mu kwogera. Everyone is quiet, but you want your fans to support you, but you're not doing anything to turn up. You're not using your voice. You're not using your platform to say anything, to put pressure, to press pressure, to create awareness. Kubanga kati ekisingano kwasa ennaku tiruno otayinza okwesanga luli wano ku Twitter. Okay, it's only happening on X. But when the person on ground doesn't know what is happening. So as an artist, this is where you come out and say, something is really happening in our, in our parliament, or even in so many other institutions of this, of this country. We need to stand up and and say no to this and say stop to corruption. So kati nze kyekisinga okunkwasa ennaku nti abayimbi lwaki musirise?
Wow.
Eddie lwaki osirise? Bebe lwaki osirise? Chameleon lwaki osirise? Gravity lwaki osirise? Misachi lwaki osirise? Lutaya lwaki osirise? Vinka lwaki osirise? Nwaji lwaki osirise? Ngolaba abantu baffe bayita mu mbeera eno bweti. Kikujjako ki? Mukama atuwadde omukisa in this country nti tusobodde naffe okubeerawo